Tiny, iridescent creatures explode with the force of a billion nuclear bombs, defying logic and captivating scientists worldwide. Deep within the heart of a tropical rainforest, an extraordinary world of minuscule marvels awaits discovery. Meet the dragonflies, damselflies, and butterflies that call this realm home, their iridescent wings shimmering like stained glass in the sunlight. Their delicate beauty belies a ferocity that leaves scientists awestruck, as these tiny creatures unleash a maelstrom of power with each heartbeat. But that's not the strangest part. Their habitats are shrinking at an alarming rate, threatening the very existence of these winged wonders. Scientists have been racing against time to study and protect these creatures, but it's a battle that's proving to be a daunting challenge. The rainforest's intricate web of life is being torn apart by human activities, leaving many species on the brink of extinction. As we delve deeper into the world of these tiny titans, we'll uncover the secrets behind their remarkable abilities and the devastating consequences of their decline. From the majestic to the microscopic, we'll explore the fascinating realms of close-up nature and macro wildlife. Join us on a journey that will take you to the very limits of human perception and reveal the awe-inspiring beauty of the natural world. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of genetic information that's roughly the size of a dragonfly's genome. But what happens when these tiny creatures are faced with the threat of extinction? Do they adapt, or do they disappear forever? The answer lies in the intricate dance of predator and prey, where every movement is a matter of life and death. In the rainforest, a single dragonfly can consume up to 1,000 mosquitoes in a single day, making them one of the most voracious predators on the planet. However, as their numbers dwindle, the delicate balance of the ecosystem begins to unravel, with catastrophic consequences for both predators and prey. Wait until you hear what comes next, a surprising twist that will challenge everything you thought you knew about these tiny creatures. It turns out that dragonflies have been on the planet for over 300 million years, long before humans ever set foot on Earth. Their ancient lineage has given them a unique set of adaptations that have allowed them to thrive in even the most inhospitable environments. But what about their role in the ecosystem? Do they play a crucial part in maintaining the balance of nature? Scientists have been studying the impact of dragonflies on the rainforest's food chain, and the results are nothing short of astonishing. In some areas, the presence of dragonflies has been shown to increase the overall biodiversity of the ecosystem, supporting an incredible array of plant and animal species. However, in other areas, their absence has been linked to a decline in species populations, highlighting the complex and often contradictory nature of their role in the ecosystem. But that's not all. Researchers have also discovered that dragonflies play a crucial part in maintaining the health of the rainforest itself. Their waste serves as a natural fertilizer, promoting the growth of lush vegetation and supporting the very ecosystem they inhabit. It's a remarkable example of the intricate web of life that exists in the rainforest, where every creature plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. And yet, despite their importance, dragonflies remain one of the most underappreciated creatures in the animal kingdom. Their iridescent beauty and ferocity have captivated scientists and naturalists for centuries, but it's time to give them the recognition they deserve. So, what can we do to help protect these incredible creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit? By supporting conservation efforts and reducing our impact on the rainforest, we can help ensure the survival of these tiny titans and the ecosystems they support. It's a challenge that requires a collective effort, but the rewards are well worth it, a chance to preserve the beauty and wonder of the natural world for future generations. As we conclude our journey into the world of close-up nature and macro wildlife, remember that every creature, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. So, let's join forces to protect these incredible creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit for the sake of our planet, and for the sake of their beauty and wonder. Subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories like this, and join the conversation in the comments below. What fascinates you most about these tiny titans? If you found this fascinating, subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories like this.